Welcome to Chemvue, Pasco's chemistry data collection and analysis software. Chemvue is the cleanest data analysis software fine-tuned for advanced chemistry labs. With our smartest displays yet, these modes streamline experiments and set students up for success. We took great care and consideration when designing this app. Complex chemistry shouldn't mean complex usability. We picked the brains of real chemistry teachers and professors. They gave crucial insight into which tools should be front and center. Custom build your own display views, combining graphics, digits, and video displays. You and your students can quickly become pros at Chemvue in your labs. It will be a smooth transition to using the improved analysis features tailor-made for chemistry topics. With Chemvue, there's no digging through a bunch of menus to find what you need. Chemvue gives you at-a-glance visualization. Don't let the simplicity fool you. Chemvue is powerful enough to support even the most demanding labs in chemistry education. Visit pasco.com/Chemvue to upgrade your chemistry lab. You'll find plenty of pre-made experiment files built into the software to get you started.